Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Abby. I am here to help you in English. Today's lesson isn't about English. It's about you, your English journey, your confidence and moment everything changes in your real life. I want to start this video with a story of a boy named Arjun. Arjun. Arjun was 22 years old. He understood English, but whenever someone asked him a question, simple question like, what did you do today? So his brain freeze, stopped working like that, he doesn't know anything. It's not because he didn't understand English. It's because of he didn't trust himself. One day he told me that, "Sir, I don't want to be perfect in English. I just want to talk like a normal person." And that sentence changed his life because he stopped trying to be perfect from that moment. He understood that perfection will come slowly, slowly. Now let's practice English exactly like Arjun learned. So let's start simple, natural, and real. What you did today? You can answer like that. I woke up and checked my phone. I got out of bed slowly. 5 more minutes of sleep. I drank some water. You can say like that. I looked outside the window. Like your thoughts. How to think like today I want to improve my English. I'm trying my best. You can think in your mind, I'm still learning. I'm still trying. Today I want to improve a little. You can say in your mind, you can think, I'm still learning. I'm proud of myself. You can say, I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself today. Your mood. I feel relaxed. You can think, I feel stressed. I feel excited. I'm confident. I'm feeling better than yesterday. Next step is imagination. Imagine you are entering in a small coffee shop. You walk to the counter and barista asks, "Hi sir, what can I get for you?" How will you answer? "One coffee please. Can you make it less sweet?" Like that. "Can I take it away?" Like that. End of the conversation, you can say, "Thank you so much," like that. So you think in your mind. Now imagine you find a seat near the window. Take a sip. You can look around the cafe and think in English. You can see the people, how they are look like, what they are trying to talk, something like that, what they are discussing, like anything you can think. Next step is boost your confidence. Let me tell you something the most English learners never hear. Definitely confidence comes from inside us. So every learner has switch on from inside, not from outside. We need to switch on from inside to become more confident. I'm not talking about the English grammar, I'm not talking about pronunciation, I'm not talking about vocabulary. I'm talking about what you have. You be confident in what you have. Like you have, imagine you have few numbers of vocabulary. You know some basic grammar. I'm just talking about that. You be confident what you have. You don't consider what you don't have, and you don't try to think like you can get from outside. It's self belief, self confidence. Confidence does not come from English. Confidence comes from you. In previous videos, we discussed about how to think in English, how to practice in front of the mirror. That's why I want to tell you here, We need to be more confident. And those things like shadowing practice, like thinking in English, like practicing about your daily life every moment if you go somewhere, like that, if you do practice, definitely your confidence will boost. So from today you switch yourself to boost your confidence. You can say, I don't need a perfect English. You can say, I need real English. I need natural English. I will speak. I can speak. I will practice every day. Like that, you can practice. You can think in your mind. If someone asks you, how's your English? You don't have to say, my English is bad. You say yourself, my English is improving. I'm improving my English every day. You can say like that to boost yourself and stay motivated and become confident. Next and last step is challenge yourself around you. If you see anything, describe it, what you feel, what you see, and you make a sentence in your mind and try to speak yourself. You can practice alone, it's okay. If you see the weather, so you can say the weather is cloudy. If you see food, so you can describe your food. If you feel sleepy, you try to say yourself, I'm feeling sleepy. If you feel happy, you say, I'm so happy today. You feel excited, so you say, I'm so excited today. If you are thinking about your goals, about your dreams, you think and you can make a sentence in your mind. I'm thinking about my goal, how to achieve easily, like that. Remember, fluency is not in the future. Fluency is with you right now at the moment when you are practicing. So every moment what you are practicing, you are going to be closer to fluency. So keep practicing on think in English and every moment try to describe whatever you see anything around you. And don't forget to comment your experience related boosting your confidence. So see you in the next video. Thank you.